Hey everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're reviewing BudgetAir, an online travel booking platform perfect for finding affordable flights. Check the description for links to their site. BudgetAir is designed for budget-conscious travelers looking for an easy way to compare and book flights. Their intuitive platform lets you search by destination, dates, and other preferences. A key feature is its ability to compare prices from multiple airlines, helping you snag the best deal without endless browsing. You can also filter results by stops, flight duration, airline, or departure time. BudgetAir shows clear pricing, including taxes and fees, so there are no surprises. Their fare alerts help you track price changes and find deals within your budget. Booking is simple with quick payment options and e-ticket delivery. Besides flights, BudgetAir also offers hotel and car rental bookings, streamlining your trip planning. However, like many budget platforms, customer support can be inconsistent. Changes, cancellations, or refunds may have extra fees, so carefully review their terms and conditions. Overall, BudgetAir is reliable for finding cheap flights with a simple booking process. It's ideal for independent travelers seeking savings and convenience. Have you used BudgetAir? Any questions? Share your experiences in the comments below. See the description for more info. Thanks for watching.